Lemon mademwe, qui place sur titifi. Premier bagay mwe kawe pon, se mwe se just simply see.
Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Lemon mademwe, qui place sur titifi. Premier bagay mwe kawe pon, se mwe se just simply see. Then they ask, nah, what ends you reppin'? What's your postcode? I exhale, and with a sunshine smile, I simply reply that I do not rep ends or a postcode. I represent an island, a place that I call home. If you're asking me for my area code, it's 758. If you're asking me the precise geographical location of where I'm from, I'll tell you that my home lies amid the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. 238 square miles of picturesque sceneries. She is known as the Helen of the West Indies and shapes every atom of my identity.
There's no place like this. Abundant beauty, scenic bliss. Things so nice, the people sweet. A cultural rhythm moves our feet.
I love this place that I call home. I could go anywhere around the globe, but I know that no matter what I do, I can never forget this place that I call home. Everybody's singing, I love
Iyanola,
I love
my sweet Saint Lucia.
I love
This island is Allain of the West Indies.
I love
Iyanola,
I love
my sweet Saint Lucia.
I love
This island is Allain of the West Indies. So wave it up there. Wave it up if you love Saint Lucia. And wave it up, flags up there. Hands up if you love your ganja. And wave it up there. Wave it up if you love Saint Lucia. All in, our journey, our future.
simply beautiful to me. A nation blessed with love so free, striving for infinite unity. The to stay on the day for me. I love this place that I call home. I could go anywhere around the globe, but I know that no matter what I do, I can never forget this place that I call home. Everybody sing it. I love Iyanola. I love my sweet Saint Lucia. I love this island is Helen of the West Indies. I love Iyanola. I love my sweet Saint Lucia. I love this island is Helen of the West Indies.
So wave it up there. Wave it up if you love Saint Lucia. And wave it up, flags up there. Hands up if you love your ganja. And wave it up there. Wave it up if you love Saint Lucia. All in, our journey, our future.
Iyanola, Saint Lucia. Sweet Saint Lucia.
Après cette visite ou et puis la belle, la nuit place pour relax hôtel. La nuit Nationality, j'bin fig up solfish. Après ça qu'a goûté belle. Pintos la hoko c'est ciel. Sulfur spring n'a fait la poubelle. Ou ça cette liste m'a quitté. Cette liste moi qu'à rester. Saudi.
I love Iyanola. I love my sweet Saint Lucia. I love this island is Helen of the West Indies. I love Iyanola.
I am from a land where beauty is not loud or overbearing, but simply striking, exquisite, and luminary from within. Though her soils have been trodden over 14 times, they are no less fertile. They remain enriched with the seeds of multicultural roots from Europeans, African slaves, Arawak Indians, and Caribs too. Yet when I cross new lands, I am labeled as foreign fruit, for it takes time for others to gain insight as they sit and overlook. My culture.
ToriElle.
I'm in the S to the J.
Saint Lucia.
Dance away, dance away, dance away, away. I wanna be free. free like the fish in the sea, so free. I wanna be free. Boy, I tell everybody, only one place to be. Hey. Oh mama, take me to sweet Saint Lucia. Oh mama.
I don't want to freeze, so I'm coming back home. Saint Lucia, where you did? 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 That's our nationality. Saint Lucia, where you did? Saint Lucia, where you did? Saint Lucia, where you did? That's our nationality. Saint Lucian, why we can't come together? Why we always apart? Oh na na na. Labor Day, St. Lucian's there in a Trinidad. That broke my heart. Oh na na na. Back home put on my radio, swear I in Jamaica. When traveling all over the world, there is no place as sweet as home. Oh na na na. Invader walk and wine, mash up Trinidad. St. Lucia, where you dey? Mighty Pele.
I got a call from overseas, said I should leave here today, but I must come back, I must come back. Everyone is waving goodbye cause I'm flying away, but I must come back. I must come back to the pilot and turn the plane around. Cause I must come back. I must come back.
Jozzy the street jam, that's what we like. Freaky on a Friday night. Later in the evening, Vices are clubbing. She tell me today is Saturday. Let's go then we tonight and eat some steam fish. Then we'll go down to Fuye. Then the Peters all the way up there. Skyrise we all up in the air. When we gliding down the people check. Everybody clapping hands and they shouting out. Can you hear them say? Say Lucia we love. Mama. Say Lucia we love. Papa. Say Lucia we love. Tell them. Say Lucia we love. All together. Say Lucia we love. Mama. Say Lucia we love. Papa. Say Lucia we love. All together. Say Lucia we love. My country is nice, it's a paradise. We drink jam and spice and go down, go down. The way she go wine and come up, come up. Say she want the cocoa flow, so I give her blow cocoa. When she bend her back and she push it back and she cock it up, so I grab her fast and I go back.
Log down to Island
Say Lucia we love, Mama. Say Lucia we love, Papa. Say Lucia we love. Tell them, say Lucia we love. All together, say Lucia we love, Mama. Say Lucia we love, Papa. Say Lucia we love. All together, say Lucia we love. Say Lucia we born and grow. Bitch I will to and fro. Medical from Mary, so that's why me sing this song blow coco. I raise up in Fua show. Actually man I in San Diego. Big up people from Cicero. All my people from Marigo. Say Lucia we love, Mama. Say Lucia we love, Papa. Say Lucia we love. Tell them say Lucia we love. All together. Say Lucia we love, Mama. Say Lucia we love, Papa. Say Lucia we love. All together. Say Lucia we love. Say Lucia the Mama. Papa. Shout it out loud. Tell them all around the floor. Mama. Papa. All together.
Allain, it's on 40 in my right car. Bitches change, they act like I ain't all this. Getting money, nigga, that my main focus. In my right car. Bitches change, they act like I ain't all this.